Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD. Today is Sunday, May 23rd, 2021. It is 7:17:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, History of the Universe. So let's hop to it. Charting the expansion history of the universe with supernova. Date May 14, 2021. Source, National Institutes of Natural Sciences. An international research team analyzed data of more than 1,000 supernova explosions and found that models for the expansion of the universe best match the data, when a new time-dependent variation is introduced. If proven correct with future, higher quality data from the Subaru telescope and other observations, these results could indicate still unknown physics working on the cosmic scale. Edwin Hubble's observations over 90 years ago showing the expansion of the universe remain a cornerstone of modern astrophysics. But when you get into the details of calculating how fast the universe was expanding at different times in its history, scientists have difficulty getting theoretical models to match observations. To solve this, researchers analyzed a catalog of 1,048 supernovae which exploded at different times in the history of the universe. The team found that the theoretical models could be made to match the observations if one of the constants used in equations, appropriately called the Hubble constant, is allowed to vary with time. There are several possible explanations for this apparent change in the Hubble constant. A likely but boring possibility is that observational biases exist in the data sample. To help correct for potential biases, astronomers are using hyper-supreme cam on the Subaru telescope to observe fainter supernova over a wide area. Data from this instrument will increase the sample of observed supernova in the early universe and reduce the uncertainty in the data. But if the current results hold up under further investigation, if the Hubble constant is in fact changing, that opens the question of what is driving the change. Answering that question could require a new, or at least modified, version of astrophysics. Good day, this is Professor Will, CBMD PhD, on space engineering, computer science, and astrophysics. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.